On this Roomba i7, they have these little side brush, and they make the spindle out of plastic. And somehow my centering screw got loose, and it stripped it. So now it's completely done for. So now we're gonna have to take this apart and replace it. Hopefully it's easy. I've never done this before, so I figured, heck, I'll bring you guys along. See how easy this is. So the only thing I did was take out the bin. Let's get rid of that. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it rounded it. Man, I don't know how good that's coming up on the camera, but okay, get rid of that. All these flat Phillips, which I did a lot of these already. 1, 2, 3, and over here there's 4, 5. Okay. Whoa. All right. It's time for a deep clean. That's for sure. Now let's take to see what it holds in. Looks like a screw right there and a screw, just 2 screws. 2 Phillips head screws. So I got me a very small little driver. And so if it's sitting this way, we got one right here, which I can see. There. And then another one underneath this. There's another one right here underneath this giant pile of trash. So let's see, can I bring it straight up? Oh, look at that, perfect. I'm gonna go blow this out, I'll be right back. All right, now that I got that out, it's time to put the new one in. Let's put it in the same exact way we got it. Now that it's all clean. Okay, perfect. Now if I wasn't, really sure about this repair, I wouldn't put this back together, but since I'm confident about this repair, it's really simple, I'm gonna do that. So now just put back your Phillips head screws. And this comes with a new one. There. This flathead's too thick for it, but you get the point. Okay. Perfect. Put that back. Now, we're just going to want to focus on the brushes. And it's spinning. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.